Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel Living in Grace. My name is An Lan Nguyen. I'm a certified ICF professional life coach specializing in emotional intelligence and coaching for transformation. In 2017, I make a life-changing decision when I stopped working in the corporate world. I changed my career of 25 years in the information technology industry to really pursue my dream and living the life that I aspire to live. I started a social enterprise called Lyceum, Life Skill and Professional Development for Success, which is a social enterprise to serve the communities at large, not just in the United States of America, but also in Canada, in Vietnam, and around the world. I'm so excited to welcome all of you. Come and join us in this journey in which we will learn and practice and explore all the concepts of emotional intelligence. Our ambition of this program is to create a global community of people who are inspired to grow, to become the better version of themselves, to live a self-actualized life that is full of joy, happiness, and fulfillment. So, are you ready to join us? Please click on subscribe, like, and share this video, and then join us on the Facebook group to start a wonderful journey that will bring you happiness, joy, and fulfillment.